Hey everyone! Today I'm going to see if I can guess the SML character by its job. So let's go!
Guess the SML characters by their jobs. Who's a butler? Chives or Mr. Goodman?
Chives.
The answer is A. Chives. Who's a news anchor? Mr. Goodman or Marvin?
Mr. Goodman.
The answer is A. Mr. Goodman. Who's a police officer? Junior or Brooklyn guy?
Brooklyn guy.
The answer is B. Brooklyn guy. Who's a teacher? Clarissa Fitzpatrick or Braxton?
Clarissa Fitzpatrick.
The answer is A. Clarissa. Who's an intern for Mr. Goodman? Jeffy or Marvin?
Marvin.
The answer is B. Marvin. Who's a computer technician? Jackie Chu or Jonathan?
Jonathan.
The answer is B. Jonathan. Who's a judge? Poovy or Rose?
Poobie.
The answer is A. Poovy. Who's a scientist? Frederick Finkelschitz or Charlie?
Frederick Finkelschitz.
The answer is A. Frederick Finkelschitz. Hey guys, you have reached the end of the quiz. If you were able to guess all of the 8 SML characters correctly, then you are a true SML fan. However, if you were not capable of guessing a single character correctly, then you are not a true SML fan. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing if you want to watch more funny videos like this one. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Alright guys, that does it for this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for new videos. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!